Happy greetings to all. I am Rani Aditi from grade 3A, Acharya Balasiksha Mandir, IIT Jitma campus, Tengai Tuttu. Today I am going to talk about abstract of my PMIT report. The report talks about my personality, learning style, leadership style, brain dominance and preferred stream. I belong to secondary personality with multiple influential and steady factors. This will lead to people-oriented leadership style, mainly contribute as a team player, supportive and trust. My learning styles are scattered into visual, auditory and kinesthetic, which is 30% above. My brain dominance also sharing 48% equally and above for both right and left. Preferred stream are science, commerce and arts. 30% above. Thank you Acharya Balasiksha Mandir for giving a tool to know about me. Thank you. Love you all.